Are you ready to dive into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence and machine learning? Buckle up, because we're about to embark on a journey that will blow your mind. Have you ever wondered how your smartphone recognizes your face? Or how Netflix seems to know exactly what you want to watch next? The answer lies in the realm of AI and ML. What if I told you that machines could learn and think like humans? It's not science fiction anymore, it's happening right now, and it's changing the world as we know it. Imagine a future where cars drive themselves, diseases are diagnosed in seconds, and your home anticipates your every need. That future is closer than you think, thanks to AI and ML. Did you know that AI is already writing news articles, composing music, and even creating art? The line between human and machine creativity is blurring, and it's both exciting and a little scary. Are you worried about robots taking over your job? You're not alone. But what if AI could actually create new opportunities and make our work lives easier? Have you ever talked to a chatbot and forgotten it wasn't human? The power of natural language processing in AI is revolutionizing how we interact with technology. What if computers could predict natural disasters, solve global warming, or even decode the mysteries of the universe? With AI and ML, these possibilities are within reach. Are you curious about how your brain works? AI researchers are using machine learning to unlock the secrets of human cognition and push the boundaries of what is possible. Do you want to be part of the AI revolution? Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just starting out, understanding the basics of AI and ML is crucial in today's world. Now that we've piqued your interest, let's dive into the foundational concepts of artificial intelligence and machine learning. At their core, AI and ML are about creating systems that can learn, reason, and make decisions, much like the human brain. Artificial intelligence is the broader concept of machines being able to carry out tasks in a way that we would consider smart. It encompasses everything from simple rule-based systems to complex neural networks that can recognize patterns and solve problems. Machine learning, on the other hand, is a subset of AI that focuses on the idea that systems can learn from data, identify patterns, and make decisions with minimal human intervention. It's the driving force behind many of the AI applications we use every day. One of the key concepts in ML is the idea of algorithms. These are step-by-step procedures that machines follow to solve problems or make predictions. Think of them as recipes that tell the computer what to do with the data it receives. Another fundamental concept is the idea of training data. Machine learning models need to be trained on large datasets before they can make accurate predictions. This is similar to how humans learn from experience. The more examples a machine sees, the better it becomes at recognizing patterns and making decisions. Neural networks are another crucial component of modern AI and ML, inspired by the structure of the human brain. These complex systems of interconnected nodes can process vast amounts of information and learn to perform tasks that were once thought to be uniquely human. Deep learning, a subset of machine learning, takes neural networks to the next level. By using multiple layers of processing, deep learning models can tackle incredibly complex problems, from image and speech recognition to natural language processing. One of the most exciting aspects of AI and ML is their potential for continuous improvement. Unlike traditional software, which needs to be manually updated, ML models can adapt and improve their performance over time as they're exposed to more data. However, it's important to understand that AI and ML are not magic. They have limitations and can be prone to biases if not carefully designed and implemented. Ethical considerations are a crucial part of AI development, ensuring that these powerful technologies are used responsibly and for the benefit of humanity. As we look to the future, the potential applications of AI and ML seem limitless. From healthcare and education to environmental protection and space exploration, these technologies are poised to revolutionize every aspect of our lives. But perhaps the most exciting thing about AI and ML is that we are still in the early stages of this technological revolution. The foundations we're laying today will shape the intelligent systems of tomorrow, opening up possibilities we can barely imagine. So whether you're a tech enthusiast, a curious student, or just someone interested in the future of technology, understanding the basics of AI and ML is more important than ever. These foundational concepts are the building blocks of a future where machines and humans work together to solve the world's most pressing problems. As we wrap up our journey into the world of AI and ML, remember that this is just the beginning. The field is evolving rapidly, and there's always more to learn. So stay curious, keep exploring, and who knows? You might just be the one to develop the next breakthrough in artificial intelligence or machine learning.